name is Rick, and in this video we'll go over our 8th blues solo from the pentatonic scale guitar solo trainer. So let's go to page 14 in the book. Also take out your fretboard chart and pattern guide number 1. Now in our last practice we used pattern shape number 5. Now in order to go up the fretboard you need to place pattern 1 next. So let's line up our pattern with E root notes showing through the red root note markers, and that gives us an area between the 4th and 8th fret to play a solo. And you can use all 12 notes to play your solo, or in our case we just use the 5 notes in the white box. So let's locate those notes. On the first string we have an A and a B. On string 2 we have an E and a G. And on string 3 just a D. Run through those a few times and we'll go right into track 24. As usual, we'll wait for the 4 counts. We're ready for this? Here we go.
Track 24.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, very nice. Now you can practice this as many times as you like to get used to playing pattern 1 in this area on the fretboard. Now just to review, our patterns go in order, in numerical order, starting on shape number 1 through 5. So let's say you start with pattern 2 down here at the nut. Your next pattern will be 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 1. So they always go in numerical order, depending on which one you start with. In our next video, we'll move up the fretboard slightly with pattern 2. And thank you for watching. We'll see you next video. Bye for now.